What's up, Airsofters? This is Syke with Seraphim Airsoft. We haven't put up a lot of videos recently, but I want you to know, we've missed you. We've missed you. We missed you. We're playing Airsoft this Saturday, so there will be a lot of awesome, sweet, and fresh Airsoft video action coming your way on our channel, so stay tuned. I got a cool new upgrade for my P-Star that I'll tell you about later. I'm excited about checking it out. Keep your eyes on this channel for upcoming awesome Airsoft action. You guys stay awesome. Keep on Airsoft.